Well, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to ScanTech's channel, a developer of system software and artificial intelligence that basically protect the world's most sensitive security checkpoints. Joining to give us a high-level overview of the company, a little bit of his history, and some milestone expectations, we have Dolan, the CEO, joining us. First and foremost, welcome, sir.
Hello, everyone.
Pleasure to get you on. I want to dive into this for newer audiences. Can you kind of just step back a bit, give us like the broad view, perhaps the elevator pitch? What exactly are you guys doing there at ScanTech?
Yeah, well, we are inventor of the next generation X-ray security devices. We are an AI company. What we've done is we have eliminated the screener from the process. Uh, Historically, the X-ray business for security took a screener to look at a picture to determine whether or not there was a threat in the bag or package that they were inspecting. What we've done is we've taken the screener out of the process, and and the machine itself makes that determination. The machine will determine if there's an explosive, if there's a gun, if there's a knife in the bag, and the machine will alarm automatically without an operator having to use a picture to make that determination. This is done by using a process called computed tomography to collect a lot of data about what the X-ray interacted with in the package.
Yeah, definitely appreciate the insight there. And maybe give us a bit of a view moving forward for what kind of milestones, what are you guys paying attention to? What's one thing investors should focus on here in 2025?
Well, one of the biggest was we were listed on NASDAQ on January the 2nd of this year, which was a huge milestone for the company. Last year, we won a major contract with the Canadian nuclear power industry. We became the supplier of the checkpoint inspection systems at two of the largest nuclear power stations in North America. We're very excited about that work. It's on the leadership edge. For infrastructure protection, nothing is more important than a nuclear power station. If a terrorist should attack that and damage it, it could affect the lives of over 1 million people.
Yeah, and yeah, it's very intriguing. Is there any other sectors you guys are looking at to try and expand?
Yeah, we in addition to infrastructure, the nuclear power industry, we are looking at other ancillary market sectors. The parcel carriers, FedEx, UPS, DHL, they are required to inspect all packages that go on commercial air flights, be it cargo or commercial carriers, to make sure an explosive is not in the package. And so the automation of this process is where the industry is going because they send millions of packages a day. And right now, they are doing it mostly by the use of canines or inspection of one or two of the packages going onto a flight.
Yeah, it's super intriguing to say the least. Maybe roll back a little bit for us. What led up to that aha moment? How did you kind of get involved with ScanTech?
Yeah, and earlier in my career, I was on contract with the Department of Energy. We were looking at ways to inspect nuclear warheads to make a determination as far as a dismantlement plan. This is when took legacy devices and had to take them apart. And it's in that business, you have to kind of know where to cut and how to dismantle. And we wanted to X-ray those targets. And that's how I got in the X-ray business for X-raying dense targets. Post 9/11, the aha moment was that we were worried about terrorists bringing in a nuclear device in a cargo container into the United States. It was a major threat avenue. And the work I had done with the Department of Energy was, aha, we can use that technology to X-ray cargo containers to look for special nuclear materials that may be hidden in there by terrorists.
Well, on that note, we'll pass it off to the viewers. We'd love to know what you think and consider subscribing as news catalysts come down the wire. We're going to bring it to you here. But on that note, we look forward to catching you in the next one.